Our environment really has the power to change our mood, both for the best and for the worst. I really tried to keep my workspace organized and clean, but I was having a lot of troubles because I ended up accumulating loads of cardboard boxes, and my studio was just boxes, as you could see. I didn't have any furniture and was really affecting my allergens and my mental state while I was in the studio. I didn't want to paint anymore. I was just feeling very anxious and feeling very overwhelmed by the mess because I was literally working with a bunch of boxes and wasn't pretty. It wasn't a cute environment. It was actually a very ugly room filled with boxes. I even tried to organize them and put some tags outside of them so I could find everything that I wanted, but it wasn't practical. And I was suffering so much from allergens as well, and probably that's the reason because ever since I got rid of them, I got better. So I started this little studio makeover, let's call it this way, by emptying my place. So I was getting all the boxes out of my studio so I could clean it a little bit before we started to build the furniture. As for the furniture, I got everything from IKEA and it ended up just fine. They only forgot one piece, but I'm still waiting, but I hope they can bring it to me soon. So I started by building this shelf, this metal shelf. Was very hard. Like I think the metal was really hard to screw everything into. I am very happy that my husband helped me so much. Without him, it would have been way more difficult. So shout out to him. After that, I started niches furniture because I thought that they could be very useful for my products and I love it. I also got a new trolley. I don't know why I said new because I don't have an older one. I always wanted to have a little trolley for my art supplies. So, because oftentimes I paint on the table or sometimes I paint on the easel, it's really nice to have this piece of furniture that I can move around and was very easy to put together as well. And here we are. We are building another one. I got two of those, quite the same niches. So one would be kind of laying down, and the other one would be standing. So I failed on trying to record everything into a whole studio makeover video, but that's okay. I was really into the process. My husband was helping me to build the shelves. I was until super late building them and doing everything. And yesterday I spent the whole day like cleaning and tidying and putting everything that was inside the boxes in the right places, and also like cutting some of that cardboard so I could use them in my packagings as well. So it was a lot of things to organize and to think and to figure out where to put everything in the best way possible. And I think that I am finally done. I organized everything. I also got another shelf for my living room. So part of the books that were here that wasn't art related, I could just put them in the living room now. So I even did that to get more space, even more space. And I'm very happy on how the studio is looking now. And I want to show you. So let's do it.
that's it. I'm very happy of how this studio turned out, and I think that now I'm using my space so much better, and everything has its own place, and it's so organized and beautiful, and I hope I can decorate it more actually. I'm just so happy on how the studio is looking like, and I'm very excited to start painting again. I've been working on that painting that you just saw. I had to stop for a while, and meanwhile the studio got so crowded with so many boxes, and it was just too many boxes. I was always allergic, and maybe it has something to do with my space, because after all, here is the place that I spend most time in. So I'm very happy for that as well. I hope I get better from my allergens, and now it's easier to clean. Everything is just so much better. I'm just so happy, and I'm so excited to finally start painting again. And thank you for watching. Okay, thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and leave me a comment telling me what do you think about the studio before and after, and and how much better it's now. Just kidding. If you have a bad idea, or if you have any suggestions, or if you just want to chat, please leave me a comment so we can be friends and talk, and you know. The hair's growing wild, but that's okay. We are used to it right now. By now, right? Yeah, so okay, so thank you for watching. I see you on my next video.